you've moved on to a bigger pot. What does that mean?
It means I am priming and undercoating.
The white.
Yes, and you're going to think it looks really weird. And why am I using such an odd brush? If you come closer.
Well, I won't know till I come round and have a look. So,
oh.
Oops. Let me have a look. Oh, that's weird.
So you can see, yes, it looks weird at the moment. Bear with me. So I'm using this fan brush so that I can, if you come closer.
Yeah, let me show the brush. So,
fan.
Oh yeah.
So that I can push the paint underneath this lip around the edge. Like that.
Like so.
Quick and easy. Like that.
Oh, I love that. I'm a fan of that one, definitely.
You're full of it, aren't you? Can you not get so closer to me, please?
Why, are you scary close up?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll zoom out.
When I've done my fanning, I can smooth it all off around the outside with a bigger brush. Now, you're going to think, ugh, actually, I'd prefer brown.
No chance. No, I don't like it brown at all.
It's just brown paint. I'm going to show you on my phone a photo of how it will look.
Or how it could look.
Okay, how it could look. That's my phone.
And if it's got a picture with mirrors on the wall, I don't want to know. Ooh. Okay.
So, very similar staircase. They don't have the gold on the side panel. It is white.
Identical door staircase.
It almost is, isn't it? Should we put a handrail up?
Yeah, but look, there's no mirrors on their wall, so there you go. We don't need mirrors.
So
it's identical, isn't it?
We're hoping you can see it. That is the effect I want to go for, to blend it in
again.
And get rid of this grim brown.
Although yours, yeah, the handrail I hadn't noticed, now I have. And is that just wood panelling going up?
We're not doing that.
No, we're not. I like the white effect though, definitely. That was a good spot.
I don't know why I'm doing this in my normal clothes.
Wow, yeah. No, you're so careful, you'll be fine. This is just to see if you like the effect, or you definitely are doing it. It's definitely going
going back now.
Yeah, okay. Any updates on nipples? Are we going gold or are we going tinted?
I finished the
on
gold.
The box? Yeah, I saw that.
And I finished the gold here.
That's what I'm looking at, thinking you've obviously decided.
I did. A friend came around this morning and said, oh, don't like it tickled. I prefer block. So we went for it, block gold.
I actually prefer it solid.
You prefer it solid?
I do, yes.
Then there you go.
Yes. Does everyone else, I hope, prefer it solid? We did show you earlier the tinted look, but I definitely think it needs to be solid. How are you doing?
I'm actually waiting to go to bed, but I realised before I did, people are wondering what I ended up doing with the bolster cushions. Did I keep the tassels or did I do away with them? So, here you are.
Well, you've got them. I can see the tassels.
Here, you can see the tassels.
Yeah, I'm looking at tassels.
It was a very mixed opinion. Some people said with tassels, some people said without. So, in a flash of a pan,
oh,
there we go.
So they've got both ways.
I couldn't decide. It was mixed opinions, so I thought, I did a test. Did they fray or not when I cut them off? No, they didn't. So I thought we can either have without.
Turn them over.
Or with, depending on our mood.
The choice is yours.
I quite like them actually without. Not so fussy.
Do you want to ask me what I think?
What do you think, darling?
Oh, you are going to ask me what I think? Without.
You prefer without?
Yeah. I always said remember the original video, I thought they just look a bit weird when they're hanging down, yeah, like that. But then a lot of people said in the comments that you've done such a good job with the button, show it off. And actually, yeah, I actually way prefer that. But I'm sorry if lots of people out there like the tassels, each to their own is what I say. You're going to live with it for the moment. You can't go back. Well, unless you got a good clue. Okay.
Any idea what to do with the tassels?
Burn them.
I think that's a good idea.
Produce some heat. From one antique to another. Where are we, darling?
Are you talking about me?
No, I just saw a sign next to you.
We are in Wickham, Hampshire at Chesapeake Mill. It's an antique place. See what we can find in here.
Been here a few times before, haven't we?
To con shopping for some time.
So it's due. Let's go inside. Did you like that chair? Oh.
It's okay.
But
Not now I've seen the price.
£425. This was great to see, this general double-decker bus. This brings back memories of my youth because my dad made my brother and I bunk beds exactly to that replica, handmade it. So we had a little place at the front where we could sit and stare it, and then my brother Martin, his bed was at the bottom, I was at the top, and we even had the stairs round the side so I could get up to my bed. So that's great to see. But you found a bed, a bunk bed as well.
I don't do public transport. I'm sorry.
You don't do public transport, no. Okay.
Not that old.
So there's me finding something from my youth. Carol found her first radio. Is that what you used to have, darling?
Maybe my father did.
I bet your dad did actually, as he did a lot of electrics. I love the way they've made these cupboards just out of recycled baskets or storage boxes. Anyhow.
To be honest, there's not that many antiques in this place. It's more
Me?
replica, or you are the oldest thing in here.
Probably am.
It's a shame about this cutlery set, which is gold and black.
Okay.
But it's a bit Art Deco. But the dining room's not gold and black, that's the hallway. We don't need a cutlery set in the hallway, do we?
Not in the hallway, no. Not exactly the most nicest of welcomes.
So far, that's the only thing that's caught my eye.
What, that cutlery set?
Yes.
Oh. Well, we'll keep hunting round. There's a lot of stuff here, but not quite what we're used to seeing.
Back at the White Line Antiques in Hartney Whitney. We didn't find anything at the other one yesterday.
So we're back over at the White Line, just looking at a few things, take back for the Chateau. And Carol, it's the same place we got the sconces from for the hallway. Now, these could also work really well in the hallway. There's a pair of these up for £220. but what do you reckon?
I reckon they're perfect for in the windowsills.
Okay. Should we go and see if we can do a deal then?
We can, but should we be spending money on that?
Who knows? Big question, yes. I think they do look at, they're good weight as well, actually.
Broken in a minute.
Just need to put some power to where we need.
I'm not sure if that is black or blue though, it's got so much dust on it.
Yeah, it looks black to me, but do you know, if it was a very French navy blue, it wouldn't matter, would it? Actually, this is how long he's had them here, so it's definitely a deal, but I could probably write my name in here. Oh, it needs to go in the cleaning department. Okay, let's see what we can do.
So as we were sat in bed doing nothing over Christmas, searched on the net for a few things and managed to find this. At first I didn't know what it was, but it was the colours and the pattern that attracted me. If you can see, it's got the blue and the gold, very similar to the banister rail. It's nothing special, we found out. It's not antique or anything like that. You can pick them up very easily, which was a shame. But I thought it was actually a nice, just little nice ornament to put on the windowsill in the hallway. But it's an ashtray. Not that anyone smokes in our house. But yes, I thought the detail on that was perfect for the hallway.
As you know, we're back and forth like idiots. We're in France, we're working, we come back to UK, we're working. We also we seem to be doing at the moment. So seen the doctor and he says you need a break, a holiday. So that's exactly what we're doing, but where we're going, I'll let you know.
Well, the first thing you do when you come to the airport,
Oh, you got smell goods.
all I can smell is money.
It is, come on, it is gold.
The countdown begins.
8 hours and counting.
We'll be seeing you in 8 hours. So, we made it. That was a long day actually. In fact, I lied, it was a 9-hour plane, but there's 2 words actually that will give you a clue where we are. And those 2 words are one love. There it is, there's the clue. If that doesn't tell you where we are, nothing will. Only in Jamaica. Yes, we're in Jamaica. We love coming here. Carol and I actually, this is our 4th time here. It's just so chilled here. This is, I think it's pronounced like Negril. Yeah, it's a 7-mile beachfront. It is gorgeous. Lots to do, sailing, kayaking, supboarding. You can see I'm on. I try to, every morning, pop over to the island over there and back. That's my little morning get rid of the all-inclusive food. This is what the doctor's ordered, Carol and I. She's on the beach doing what she does best, and hence why I'm on the water. So, got the hobby cat out. The only sailing, they didn't have windsurf, what a shame. I couldn't get Carol out, it's a real shame actually, but I'm sure later this afternoon maybe a little bit less wind, the sun's out. Well, not a good thing to see out in the bay. I've just come across, well actually it's a yacht, not a catamaran. They obviously at some time had a real easterly, suddenly storm come through here, and it's not that deep here, so I'm going to guess they anchored it up a bit too short a line, and eventually the waves have got over the top and just sunk it. It's all there in one piece, so if you fancy a yacht, there you go. Well, I was going to say a deserted island, but obviously a few people come here, as you can see. Well, yeah, what a place. Literally stuck out on its own in the sea. And do you know what? Give me a fishing rod,
a barbecue and a hammock, and that's what I call a holiday. So what we did today, as you can see, what a glorious day when we woke up. Not quite sure what's going on. I can't go sailing, wakeboarding, paddling. What are you going to do today, darling?
Sunbathing.
Oh, okay.
All day long. And dream about gold.
I thought we'd moved on to silver now. I swear you've moved on now. Yeah, Lars, I've got Carol out on the surfboard. How are you finding it? Balance, a bit iffy? You're doing well.
Yeah, I've mastered it now.
I reckon you have to paddle at the same time. Don't rely on the water taking you. By the way, everyone has just now seen you're cheating. I'm annoyed today. Today they won't let me go out on the any water sports whatsoever. They've said the sea is unsafe. Not quite sure what sea they were looking at, as you can see. Maybe they saw Carol go out. She's happy. If we can have 10 more subscribers, I'll flip the Lilo over. Well, the time has come. It's almost the end of the holiday. I mean, we're not going out on the hobby cat yet. So Carol's decided we're going to have a go at trying to do supboards.
Here we go. Adrian's roped Jane into it. The first attempt.
So I feel like Jack Sparrow, and I've actually eventually got them on the water. They got no idea what they're doing, I'm afraid. Where are we going? Mexico?
We're not going very far at all, actually.
We're going to go up to that island. So Paul, we'll aim for that small catamaran in the front of us, yeah? We'll just aim for the catamaran when you hit it.